What's cracking, YouTube? Back with another episode from Trenches to the Bridges, y'all. Listen, now I just want to make a quick video just telling y'all don't have no regrets in the stock market, alright? The stock market is bleeding, just like a girl in her period, y'all. Like, it's bleeding. You got so much things going on. You got the Neo talking about DD, trying to get them delisted off to the stock exchange. So going forward, it will be no more Chinese companies being listed on the U.S. stock exchange, right? And going forward, that kills the Chinese companies that's already on the U.S. stock exchange, right? Neo, Alibaba, all these companies is going down right now in fear that they will be delisted as well. I don't feel like those companies will be delisted because they already on there and been on there for a long time. But any new companies, any IPOs, no, it's not happening, right? So then you also have the government with the debt ceiling. They having upcoming meetings. You have reports coming out that unemployment is rising higher. We was expecting 400,000 people working. Now it's going back down to 200,000 people in certain areas. It's just going bad right now, right? What else you got going on? The new COVID variant is an article going out that is 5 people in New York City that has this new COVID variant that came from South Africa. It was one person in in California that caught it. So just an article this morning that just shows that 5 people in New York City have it. So there is a new COVID variant upon us, y'all, right? And this is things that just crashed the market. So also we in the last month of the year. So this is where people decide to, hey, I'm down in this stock, let me lock in some tax losses so when I start making money in the future, I can write off these tax losses and pay less taxes, alright? So the market just full of just selling, like everybody just selling, alright? Now, let's look at my portfolios for today. Take a step to the side so y'all can see this, alright? Now, y'all can see I'm down 9%, down $4,000 in one day, alright? Down $4,000 in one day. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna look at the 3-month chart. On the 3-month chart, we still up 3%. On the 1 month, we're down $13,000. Alright. On the 6 month, we're still up 300. On a year, we're up just 100. As y'all can see with my portfolio, how it was looking. Alright. When I was down 6,000, now 3,000, and it shot up. Everything was going back to normal, and then this COVID, it's just messing our world up all over again, guys. Now, y'all can see plays that just I'm getting crushed on. Lucid is keeping my portfolio up. Tesla is keeping my portfolio up, but y'all can see my biggest losers, alright? Now, let me put this in. This will be a thing of the past, people, okay? Take the opportunity to buy these dips, right? Buy low, sell high, right? If we long term, 5 years, 3 years, then time is on your side. You have nothing to worry about, right? Stick with your game plan. Don't panic sell. Don't let your emotions get the best of you, right? See this as an opportunity, right? As an investor, you need opportunities like this. You need crashes. You need things to pull back. You need corrections. Why? So you can get things at the low. If you get into a market that everything is high, got high valuations, and already ran up 100, 200%, and you got in, what's the most you getting? What, 10%, 15%? Or just start losing money from where you get in at? No, you want to get in at the rock bottom, right? And there's so many companies out there that just at rock bottom, right? Don't regret this, alright? Because you'll sit here and just say, oh, I don't want to get into the stock market. Oh, I don't want to throw my money in this, and the third. Then a couple of months go past, 3 months, 6 months, a year, you just see all these stocks exploding, and you just be like, oh, I had that. Oh, I would have had this amount. Oh, I would have had this amount. You would have been one of them what ifs person, or I had this person, alright? We hear it all the time. I had this. I wish I did that. The time is now to make the right decision, alright? Another episode from Trenches to the Riches, y'all. Let's get this money.